Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can change your password on Hotmail. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.hotmail.com and hit enter. After the home page of Hotmail opens up on your screen, make sure that you're logged in to your Hotmail account. Now on this page, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the profile option, a menu will appear on your screen. Now on this menu, click on the My Profile option. After you click on the My Profile option, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see this Change Password option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the Change Password option, you'll be further guided to another page. Now on this page, you'll have to fill in an alternative email address or phone number. Now you can choose whether you want to add an alternative email address or phone number by clicking on this option and choosing either option. Once you click on one of those options, fill in the credentials. If you want to fill in your phone number, you can choose your country by clicking on this button. Once you fill in your phone number, a code will be sent to your device. Fill in the exact code on this text field and click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, you'll be guided to another page. Now in this page, you'll have to verify your identity. Firstly, click on this text field. Once you click on that text field, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, you'll have to enter the last 4 digits of your phone number. Make sure that you fill in the last 4 digits correctly and click on the Send Code option. If you have filled in the last 4 digits correctly, a code will be sent to your phone number. Make sure to fill in this code very correctly and then click on this Verify option. After you complete all those steps correctly, you'll be guided to another page where you will be able to change your password. Now you'll have to fill in your current password here, your new password here. You'll have to re-enter your new password here and then click on this Save button. Once you click on the Save button and if you have filled in the required credentials and completed all the steps correctly, your password on Hotmail or Outlook will be automatically be changed. I hope this video helped you to change your password on Hotmail. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.